If you like using our app, you can tell your friends about it. And we also have a reward for you once you do so. For each friend that joins the app through your invitation, both of you will get an additional 1 month of free Extra Premium. And that 1 month Extra will be added to your existing free trial. And you can invite as many friends as you like. So once you're ready to start this process, simply go into the Home tab and click into this yellow button on the top that says Refer a Friend and get a free premium. Once you're here, click on the button and that generates your unique referral link. You can share that link in any platform you like, from WhatsApp to Facebook Messenger to Slack to LinkedIn, whatever social media platform you wish to share it across. This is your own unique link, and it can be reused multiple times by different people. Here to demo the process, I'm sharing the link with my co-founder Truman through WhatsApp. You can see there is a pre-populated greeting message we have made for you. You can simply edit that message to your liking or delete that if you like. Simply send the link and the recipient will get it. Now after you've sent the invitation, there are a couple of things you can do. First, you can track referrals. So simply go back to your account page and go to the referral section and go into track referrals. Here the first thing you can see is the number of successful referrals you've made to date and when was the last time your link has been used successfully. And up here on the top of the account tab, once someone has joined the app successfully through your referral, you'll see this congratulations message here in the screen box. That tells you someone has just used your link and joined the app successfully. And in the future, we're going to do some more features that help you with the visibility and the transparency of who has used your referral link, who has clicked but not yet signed up, and who have already successfully signed up through the link. So all of these metrics that will be useful for you to stay on top of your referrals, we will make them available for you in due course. Now, as someone who has just got the link from their friends and have not yet made their way into the app, what they need to do is simply to click on the link, and that link will bring them to the App Store, and all they need to do is simply download the app through the App Store, sign up to the app, and once they're in, they will also see this red dot here, and all we need here is for that user to click into any security inside their watch list that we have pre-populated for them. And once they have gone through the analysis we have prepared for them, to help them to get familiar with the app as quickly as possible, they will automatically get the 1 month Extra Premium. And at the same time, the person who has invited them to join the app will also get the 1 month Extra. In the unfortunate event that something wrong has happened, they will see this message in this red box. So if you see that, don't panic, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll sort that out immediately for you. You can always click to dismiss these messages if you like, and once you've successfully joined the app through the invitation of your friends, it will be great for you to refer more friends so that more people will get to know our app, and at the same time both you and your friends will get the reward through a successful referral. And finally, just a quick word on what is the best place to open the invitation link from your friends. Since these links will always take you to the App Store or the Play Store to download the app yourself on your phone, unfortunately they don't work on PC. So this is the message if you open the link on PC. It will just simply tell you to open the link instead on your phone. So have a play with our referrals. Hopefully that is simple, intuitive and fun to use. We hope you'll like the app and wish to see you use the referrals, get more friends in, and also get a bit of rewards at the same time for you as well. Enjoy!